Stock method review. Is it a scam or legit? Find out as we review its features and let you know exactly what to expect from this crypto trading system. With cutting-edge technology all around us, earning a passive income or becoming financially independent is no longer a far-fetched reality. There are many ways to earn an income online, you just have to find a reliable one to help you do it. We have decided to analyze tools used to invest in the cryptocurrency market. We found a few that are worth testing. Stock method happens to be one of them. Our goal during this review was to confirm that stock method is effective enough to generate income. What is stock method? Stock method is a trading application that uses signals from the cryptocurrency market to place trades. The trading application is powered by a very intelligent algorithm that scans the cryptocurrency market and global news trends to make profitable trading decisions. It assists users in buying, selling and trading in cryptocurrency without any human intervention. The algorithm uses data, charts, patterns and graphs sourced from across the internet to make its trading decisions. All of the trades made are monitored by regulated brokers. From our experience, the algorithm can do in seconds what it would take a human to do in days. It is cutting-edge technology that is always ahead of its time. Is stock method credible? Yes. We understand that every investment carries a risk, stock method is no different. This is why we suggest that every user does their homework before investing. From our review of stock method, we did not experience any glitches or problems with the system. In our opinion, the application is credible, efficient and reliable. The account opening process is transparent and the demo account feature allows you to practice before going live. The application also uses regulated brokers and account managers to handle trading accounts. How to trade with stock method. Opening an account with stock method is a straightforward process. We tested the process ourselves and you'll be happy to know that opening an account is absolutely free. We'll take you through the steps. 1. Registration. We found the registration process quite simple. All you need to do is complete the short form below with your basic information and one of our account managers will contact you. 2. Deposit. The deposit process is quick and easy. Stock method requires a €250 deposit before live trading can begin. All transactions happen online and because stock method is protected by an SSL certificate, you don't have to worry about your information being leaked or used for fraudulent activities. 3. Demo account. We were really impressed with the stock method demo account feature. This feature is perfect for new users because it allows you to practice trade until you're ready to go live. The great news is that you don't need any real money to demo trade. All you need to do is practice. 4. Live trading. Once you're comfortable with the demo account, you can proceed to live trading. After testing the demo account feature, we recommend that all users demo trade before going on to live trading. It is not only good practice but provides you with the experience you need to trade successfully. Your account manager will assist you in setting your trading parameters. Is getting started really as easy as it seems? Yes. We have found that getting started with stock method is quick and easy once you've found your way around the platform. This is great news, especially for new users who do not know how trading applications work. To get started, all you need is a laptop, desktop or smartphone and a secure internet connection. Many users online prefer to monitor their accounts from their smartphone. This means that they can monitor their trading processes from all over the world. An initial deposit is required before any trading can start. The good thing is that the deposit is very affordable. All a new user needs is €250. This deposit is then used as an initial investment. Stock method does not charge any registration or subscription fee. This is basically all a new user needs to start. If there are any problems, the account managers and customer support staff are very responsive. How does stock method work? From our analysis, we can confirm that stock method uses an intelligent algorithm that was created to scan the cryptocurrency market and global financial news to extract the most important data. This data is then used to make important trading decisions on behalf of the user. The great thing about stock method is that it is fully automated and requires very little assistance from the user. In fact, once you have set your trading parameters with the help of your broker, the application basically works out everything else for you. We do recommend that new traders spend at least 20 minutes on their account daily. This way, you are always up to date with changes in the market and how it is affecting your account and trading prospects. Frequently asked questions. Is my information safe on stock method? It is reported that stock method uses an SSL certificate, which is an online security protocol that encrypts confidential information on the site. What is the fee to open the new account? There is no fee charged to open a new stock method account. It is completely free. Can bitcoins be withdrawn from the trading application after earning a profit? Unfortunately, this is not possible. The trading application converts your earnings to the local currency and your earnings are deposited in the bank account linked to your stock method account. Are there alternative crypto trading platforms? Yes. There are similar trading platforms like Bitcoin Code, Bitcoin Revolution and Bitcoin Era, among other trusted cryptocurrency trading platforms. Is there a maximum limit of profit I can make? No. There are no limits to how much earning potential you have on Bitcoin. Is stock method a pyramid scheme? No. It is reported that stock method is an award-winning software that enables you to make profitable cryptocurrency trades. How much time will I have to put into this? It is estimated that the average user spends at least 20 minutes a day on this trading platform. Is it advisable to invest all your money in stock method? No, never invest money that you need or cannot afford to lose. You must only use disposable income. The cryptocurrency market is volatile and time sensitive, making it high risk and high reward. We recommend starting small. As with any investment, there are risks, but the stop-loss feature protects potential investors from huge losses. Important online features of stock method. A successful live trading session and overall experience with stock method is possible with some features that have been displayed on the website. We've documented some important features you should know about. Payout feature. From our experience, we now know that stock method uses an automated payout feature. This was a brilliant idea. It is a very convenient option that works without prompting. After ending a live trading session, the payout feature is able to calculate your earnings and funds will be credited to your stock method account. There are no hidden fees. Withdrawal feature. We observed that the money earned by an investor can be withdrawn. It is a seamless process. All you need to do is request to withdraw, and it takes only 24 hours to complete a withdrawal request. Other trading platforms might take a week or two. Demo trading feature. Our tests have concluded that the stock method demo trading feature is excellent. Any user who would like to observe how live trading sessions work can study the demo trading feature for free. Demo trading is just a practice round before live trading and it is free. Customer service feature. We were really impressed by the customer service feature. The team responded within seconds of us making an inquiry. The customer service team can be contacted via live chat or email. Can new users become rich with stock method? It is possible for new users to generate a considerable amount of wealth with stock method. We have done a thorough analysis of this trading application and we can confirm that stock method has all the necessary features needed to help a new user be successful. We've put together a few tips to help a new user to become successful on the platform. Use the demo account. When you begin to study how the demo account works, you will have a clearer understanding of auto trading in the currency market and how to select the best currency pairs during live trade. Do the research. Register on digital forums where the cryptocurrency market is analyzed and stay up to date with current trends. Start with the minimum deposit. It is always best to start your investment journey with the minimum deposit of €250. After making your first profit, you can gradually increase your investment. Our conclusion. We have added stock method to our list of most effective and credible auto trading applications. Our experience of stock method was a pleasant one. We confirm that this trading application has all the essential features to make any user's experience an excellent one. Stock method opens up new possibilities for new users who are eager to earn money on the cryptocurrency market. Please visit the link below for more details.